This is a stop sign. Where to find this sign? Intersections, railway crossings, scholar patrols. The purpose of this sign is to bring all traffic to a complete stop. This is a stop and yield sign. Where to find this sign? Intersections. The purpose of this sign is to allow left-turning traffic to proceed without stopping if safe, doesn't interfere with cross traffic. This is a three-way stop sign. Where to find this sign? Intersections. The purpose of this sign is to bring traffic from all three directions to a stop. This is a four-way stop sign. Where to find this sign? Intersections. The purpose of this sign is to bring traffic from all four directions to a stop. This is a yield sign. Where to find this sign? Intersections. Railway crossings. The purpose of this sign is to slow down or stop if other traffic is approaching. This is a yield to pedestrian sign. Where to find this sign? Intersections. Pedestrian crossings. The purpose of this sign is to watch for pedestrians and be prepared to stop. This is a yield at traffic circle sign. Where to find this sign? Traffic circles. The purpose of this sign is to warn of a circle ahead where you must yield to circulating traffic. This is a no entry sign. Where to find this sign? End of one-way streets. Off-ramps. Intersections where roads transition to one-way. The purpose of this sign prohibits entry to the roadway. This is a stop and go sign. Where to find this sign? Road construction zones, temporary traffic control. The purpose of this sign? Stop. Halt when sign is displayed. Go. Proceed with caution when safe. This is a one-way roadway sign. Where to find this sign? Intersections where one-way roads merge. The purpose of this sign indicates one-way traffic flows left, right, or straight ahead. This is a pedestrian priority sign. Where to find this sign? Entrances to pedestrian zones. The purpose of this sign, pedestrians have right-of-way. This is a yield to oncoming traffic sign. Where to find this sign? Entrances to two-way roads. The purpose of this sign is to warn of a shared single carriageway for vehicles from both directions.